Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the version mismatch error in Valorant quickly and easily. First, completely close Valorant and also close the Riot Client from the system tray. This helps stop any background processes that may be causing update problems. After that, restart your PC to clear temporary system issues. Once your computer turns back on, right-click the Riot Client and select Run as administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to properly check and install updates. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or interrupted connection can prevent game files from downloading correctly and may trigger the version mismatch error. Now, let the game update fully. Avoid pausing or cancelling the update process because incomplete files can cause the issue to continue. If the error still appears, open the Riot Games folder and use the repair option from the Riot Client settings. This will scan and fix damaged or missing files automatically. Also, check for the latest Windows updates and update your graphics drivers. Finally, restart your PC again and launch Valorant. Thanks for watching.